morning, guys!
Good morning! We're having black coffee for
Breakfast and
breakfast.
pandesal.
Pandesal.
Gusto niyo pandesal?
Here's the pandesal. Bella, eat pandesal.
Wow!
Malunggay pandesal.
Yeah.
It's yummy. Yummy ah.
No. Hi, Tita Haya.
Say hi.
Hi, Tita Haya. No,
Say hi
Tita
to Ate Yona.
Haya. Hi. Hi.
Ate Yona.
Hi, Ate Yona. Hi.
Say Missy.
Hi, Tita Haya.
Good morning.
Morning. Hi, bird.
First time
We're gonna go along.
babas. Hi, Bella. Ayan o.
First time.
Do you want some blood?
Yes.
What we guys?
So, alam ka po. Yun ang bus.
First time going to Hello.
Tito Jero, go home.
Tantungin mo yun si Bella.
Oo.
Ano ko si Lola Bebe?
Ako nga din eh. Unang tingin. Waiting, waiting.
Anong oras na dyan, Jim? 9.
Hi, Chloe.
Hi.
Hi. Chloe's first time going to the bus. Yeah, even Ate Bella.
Hi, Bella, okay?
Hanap lang ang kapwag. Go, go, go. Oh my God! Ano ba yan? Nakuha na eh. Isa pa? Wait, Bella. Isa pa? Chloe. Wow. Amor. Let's go na. Chloe! Hawakan mo si Chloe.
It's not giving us, it's giving
Let's go na, Chloe! Today, nandito kami sa Harbor Point with kids, naglilibot. Ay, ayan, may bago silang toys. Show your toys, Bella. Chloe, show your toys.
And we going on the couch.
Wow, okay, go. You like it? Yeah. Ocean. It's not ocean. Baka madulas kayo dun na. Go na. Si Chloe, baka pumunta sa tubig. Not allowed, Chloe. Water fountain. American team. Let's go na! Chloe! Iba na ano dyan, no? Iba na nag-work dyan, no? Let's go na!
Come. Go now.
Okay. Water fountain. Oh! Let's go. Let's go na, Chloe! Chloe! Chloe, let's go na! Ate Bella! Go na! Eh. Oo nga, hindi na pinapaganda. Dry na yung damo. Lugi na siguro. Oh, here, Chloe! Later. Don't worry when you get the money.
This one.
Okay.
This one. This
Let's
one.
go. Hey, come here. Come here. Chloe. Chloe, come. Bye. Chloe. Here, Chloe. Wait, come here. Dirty Tao and Ate Bella. Oh, your toys. Get your toys. Not run. no run.
Hindi na namin. Sige mo pinakait pa.
Why you walking backward? Ah, tita and uy! Chloe, Ate Bella, and Tita is there now. Oo, don't run! Don't run! No, 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 no. Mabubunggo ka, Chloe. Hi, why you walking?
Is, what are you drinking? Dragon fruit juice. It's natural. We're here at Harbor Point. Yeah.